In this video, I will show you how you can share your real-time location on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now there are two methods to share your real-time location on your Samsung phone. For the first method, just make sure that both the sender and the receiver have a Samsung account. Now after you've done that, now on your Galaxy S26, just go to Settings and tap on your Samsung account. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Samsung Apps and Services. And over here, you will find the option for Samsung Find. Now just tap on it. And from here, just tap on Continue. Now if you want to get a notification when someone views your location, you can select any of the options available over here. You can select every time, once every 10 days, once every 20 days, or once every 30 days. I'll select every time, then tap on Next, and select Allow. Just select while using the app, then tap on Go to Settings. Now from here, just make sure you select Allow all the time. Then just go back. Now from here, just tap on People. Now after you tap on People, then tap on the plus icon over here. Now on this page, you will find the people you can share your location with. But you can tap on people you can share and you can select all, and over here you will find all your contact numbers. Now I'll share my location with this number. So I'll just select it. Now from here, just select the time duration for your location sharing. You can either select 1 hour, 24 hours, or indefinitely. I'll select for 24 hours, then tap on Share, and select Use. Now as you can see, it is saying that location sharing has been started, but the other person might not have set up Samsung Find on their phone. So in that case, you can tap on Share, and you can share a link from which they can see your real-time location. Now this was the first method on how you can share your real-time location with another Samsung phone. But if you want to share your real-time location and if the other person does not have a Samsung account or a Samsung phone, so in that case, just open the Google Play Store and search this. Now just make sure that Google Maps is installed on both devices. Now in most cases, this app is pre-installed on Samsung devices, but if there is any update available, just update Google Maps. And after you've done that, now on your Galaxy S26, just tap on Open and select No Thanks. From here, just tap on your profile icon. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on Location Sharing. Now just tap on New Share and select Allow. Tap on Continue, and from here, just select the time duration for the location sharing. You can select a minimum of 15 minutes and a maximum of 1 day. Now for example, I'll select 8 hours. Now after that, just share the link to the contact number with which you want to share your location. For example, I'll open Gmail from here. Now just tap on Share and select while using the app. Now just select Allow and tap on Go to Settings. Now just select Allow all the time, then just go back and tap on Continue. Select Allow. Now in this section, just enter the Gmail address of the person with which you want to share your location. After you do that, then just tap on Send. Now on the other person's phone, just open the Gmail app. And over here, you will find the link which the other person has sent, so you could check their real-time location. Now just tap on the link, and after you do that, you will see their real-time location like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.